Simple and natural, no makeup look for a daily routine. Are you concerned about achieving your daily natural no makeup look or searching for a straightforward makeup tutorial for your daily routine? Look no further. This video is tailored just for you. Watch it in its entirety, and I'm confident you'll discover the perfect solution to address your concerns. Hey, beauties, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special for all our fabulous teenagers out there. A simple and chic natural no makeup look that's perfect for your daily routine. It's all about enhancing your natural beauty and feeling confident in your own skin. Let's dive right into it. Step 1. Skincare prep. First things first, skincare is key. Start with a clean canvas by cleansing your face. Follow up with a light, hydrating moisturizer to keep your skin fresh and dewy. Don't forget sunscreen to protect your skin from those harmful rays. Step 2. Light coverage base. Create a natural, understated look by choosing a tinted moisturizer or a foundation with light coverage. Apply it evenly across your face, focusing on areas that might need a bit of extra coverage. The goal is to let your skin breathe while providing a subtle even tone. Step 3. Concealer magic. Concealer is your secret weapon. Use it to cover any blemishes, redness, or under eye circles. Dab a small amount and blend it gently with your ring finger or a makeup sponge for a seamless finish. Step 4. Contouring. Contouring is optional for those who desire a subtle enhancement. To achieve a natural contour, lightly apply a matte bronzer or contour powder to the hollows of the cheeks, along the jawline, and around the perimeter of the face. Blend well for a soft, sculpted appearance without the need for heavy makeup. Step 4. Rosy cheeks. Let's add a touch of color to those cheeks. Choose a natural-looking blush and apply it to the apples of your cheeks. Smile and blend it out for a youthful, rosy glow. Cream blushes work wonders for a more natural finish. Step 5. Defined brows. Brows frame the face, so let's give them some attention. Use a brow pencil or powder to lightly define your eyebrows. Keep it soft and natural, following the natural shape of your brows. Step 6. Luscious lashes. Lush your lashes with mascara. This step is completely optional. If you feel the need, go ahead and apply, otherwise, feel free to skip it. Remember, always opt for a light touch with mascara to avoid potential damage to your precious eyelashes. Step 7. Lip love. For the finishing touch, go for a subtle lip color. Tinted lip balm or a nude lip gloss will keep it natural and effortless. If you're feeling a bit bold, you can also use a lip tint for that, just bitten look. Last step, simple hairstyle. For the finishing touch, don't forget to add a simple hairstyle to your no makeup look. Whether it's a casual ponytail, a loose bun, or just letting your natural waves flow, pick a style that complements your easygoing vibe. Keep it simple and let your natural beauty shine through effortlessly. And as we wrap up, remember that this no makeup look is all about you. Feel free to add or skip any step based on what suits your skin or matches your personality. A quick tip. Always prioritize quality when it comes to makeup products, especially for your sensitive teen skin. So there you have it, a quick and easy natural no makeup look perfect for your daily routine. Embrace your natural beauty and let your confidence shine. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our glam sessions. Until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.